Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is August 15th, 2017, and today is Tuesday morning. So as the week progresses, we've got more economic news coming out. So for today, we've got a yearly core price index number coming out of the United Kingdom, and that's going to affect the GBP. That's coming out at 10:30 South African time. And then at 2:30 South African time, we have core retail sales coming out of the United States. So let's see how that's been affecting the markets, and let's go to the charts and see what's happening. So we're jumping here into the Euro USD. As you can see, we had a little bit of a sell-off trading below 118 at 117.75-ish level. So we've, had a nice rally. Okay, we're still holding this upwards trends, but it looks like we're consolidating here. If you look at a daily chart, this is really the first time that it's given that much of a breather. So we may see a little bit of a correction here. I'd like to see it go back to 115-ish level, just to give us a break here, okay? Just to see, that this is, still not that resilient that it's going to 125, 130 so quickly. So let's see how this progresses throughout the week. And I mean, if I was to jump in here, it'd probably be a short, okay, to test out these waters, especially if we break this 117.36-ish level. So looking at the GBP, we're trickling and drifting lower, as you can see here. We're actually between this 129.91-ish level and 129.26-ish level, and we're really just testing the bottom range of this. Okay, so let's see if the core price index actually comes out with positive news. Maybe it will, thrust this higher with its weakening. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, dollar getting much stronger versus the yen here, as you can see, and it's been bouncing quite hard. So resistance here at 110.54. So keep an eye on that as this progresses, and then at 111.15. Okay, so those are my two. I think we'll be back to the 111-ish level, okay, before we make any further correction. Looking at gold, we had a tremendous correction yesterday after the markets just took it higher, okay. We went just rallied across the board in the indices, and we're off about 15 points on the gold here when trading, and so this was this was almost a layup, okay, because we mentioned this yesterday that we were coming closer to resistance, and this was a possible good short, and and proof is in the pudding that it was a good short, and as you can see, we've sold off. Now this has been a sell-off across the board with commodities. Looking at oil here, $47.60 per dollars per barrel. Okay, had a hard time picking that out. This is really support level here, okay, $47. So I'd like to see a little bit of a bounce here as we continue the week. Looking at the Dow Jones, big move yesterday, over 100-point upwards move, and we're coming to this double top. Now I'd like to see some sort of breakout above this 2200-ish level, okay, 22,100-ish level, to see that this is really a strong buy. But let's see how this unfolds throughout the week. Looking at the JSE as well, JSE also gapped up yesterday. Not a very volatile day yesterday for the JSE, but as you can see, we're consolidating here. So I'd like to see some sort of confirmation that we're going higher, but as we get into the fall season, like I've said before, we're getting into a little bit more of a bearish season. So, despite the fact that what's going on in North Korea and some of the news that's coming out of there, it seems like it's, settled down, we're still very strong in the markets. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.